during this COVID time, this is the big events. Usually these events, used to be with the big gatherings, and it is a national conference. It's a big Cardiology Society of India conference. In this conference, I think major all the company have participated. So we are from Zydus, so we are also participating in this conference. So I think the event, now I think it is a successful event. Many doctors have come and they have attended this physical conference with all precautionary measures. This is, from Hyderabad. The host is from Hyderabad. Especially last 7 years before this type of conference was there in the same venue. Now this time it is in Hyderabad again. So this is a big event for cardiologists across the country. They come and for the academic purpose only. So as a company we have participated here. Basically we deal with all cardiology brands. So like Atorva is one of the major brands that we have. Atorva, Clopidogrel, Dapagliflozin, Ixorela, and even Zyrova, Lifaglin. So many brands are there. So this is how we are also just participated, and we are displaying, and we are as a active members of this as a company we are participating here. During COVID it was I think very disastrous, but as we are in a chronic therapy, but somehow now things are opening up, patients are also coming up. The business as usual, I think slowly it is coming to normalcy, not fully I can say, but being in the pharma, yes, it is not that affected like earlier other segment, but pharma segment somehow it's manageable, but not fully normal. Slowly it is coming back to normal only. Yes. Thank you very much.